Indian Prime Minister has hailed Operation Sindoor once again.
Of course, he's lauded the might of the Indian armed forces. Narendra Modi says the offensive forced Pakistan to its knees, and it happened within hours of the launch of the offensive. Addressing a public event in Bengaluru, Prime Minister Modi pointed out to New Delhi's hardline stance against terrorism and said that the whole world saw India's new face.
सीमा पार कई किलोमीटर भीतर आतंकवादी ठिकानों को नेस्त नाबूद करने की ताकत और आतंकवादियों के बचाव में उतरे पाकिस्तान को कुछ ही घंटों में घुटनों पर लाने की हमारी क्षमता पूरी दुनिया ने नए भारत के इस स्वरूप के दर्शन किए हैं.
Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has emphasized that while terrorists target victims based on their religion, New Delhi's response is guided by justice, focused on actions rather than faith.
Singh also underlined that Operation Sindoor is proof that India possesses the capability to defeat its enemies with homegrown strength.
भारत चाहता है केवल भारत का ही कल्याण न हो बल्कि पूरे विश्व का कल्याण होना चाहिए और दुनिया का अकेला देश है भारत जहां के ऋषियों और मनीषियों ने वसुधैव कुटुंबकम का संदेश दिया है. इसका मतलब यह नहीं है कि जो चाहे वह भारत पर आक्रमण कर दे. जो हमें छेड़ेगा हम उसे छोड़ेंगे नहीं.
Operation Sindoor was a strong response to the Pahalgam attack, showcasing India's strength to defend itself against enemy incursions.
Army Chief General Upendra Dwivedi likened Operation Sindoor to a tense game of chess, highlighting that the Indian forces were operating in a grey zone, constantly adapting without knowing the enemy's next move.
And Op Sindoor, what we did, we played chess. Now, what does it mean? It means we did not know what is the next move the enemy is going to take and what are we going to do. This is something we called about the grey zone. Grey zone is that we are not going for the conventional operations, but we are doing something which is just short of the conventional operations. So we were making the chess moves. He was also making the chess moves. Somewhere we were giving him checkmate and somewhere we were kind of going in for the kill at the risk of even losing our own, but that's the way life is all about.
He also criticized Pakistan for attempting to portray itself as victorious in the recent conflict through strategic narrative management. Commenting on Islamabad's decision to elevate its Army Chief General Asim Munir to the rank of a Field Marshal.
Meanwhile, Indian Air Force Chief Air Marshal AP Singh credited the government's political will for the success of Operation Sindoor. He revealed that India destroyed 6 Pakistani aircraft. These were 5 jets and 1 military aircraft during the crucial operation in May. The IAF chief said that Indian forces shot down 5 Pakistani fighter jets and 1 Pakistani military aircraft. Air Chief Marshal AP Singh credited the Russian-made S-400 surface-to-air missile system with the crucial aerial kills during the May 7th operation that followed the Pahalgam terror attack.
Our air defense systems have done a wonderful job. The S-400 system, which we had recently bought, has been a game changer. The range of that system has really kept their aircraft away from their weapons like, those long-range glide bombs that they have. They've not been able to use any one of those because they've not been able to penetrate this system.